Okay guys, 2022 Genesis GV70. This is the fully loaded Sport Prestige package. Don't come any more loaded than this one. It's a rebuilt title, had front end damage. As you can see, everything's been fixed correctly. Paint matches, all the gaps look good. Start it up here for you.
Genesis is back with a brand new dealership in the heart of the Sandy Saddleton Auto Mall, and it's all electric. That's right, an EV dealership.
18,615 on the miles. This does have adaptive cruise and lane keep assist, downhill descension, memory seats, power fold mirrors, remote start, heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, all your different drive modes. This is the 3.5 twin turbo. Let's see how nice this looks. Got a nice suede roof. Big panoramic sunroof. Has massage seats. Here's the VIN number. This has really nice LED lights throughout. I'll take some pictures that you can see. There's the window shades here in the back. Rear heated seats here. Tires. .5 twin turbo or turbo, I'm not 100% what it is. Most all these are 2.5s. That's what you get when you get the most loaded package. Really cool LED lights in the front.